you are looking to build your first online store using Store.icu, but don't know how to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own online store and manage its settings. Let's get started. First, come to the home page of Store.icu. Through this site, you can trade your online store for free. Click on the Create Store for Free button. As you click on it, the Sign Up page will appear. Here, you can create an account or sign up with Google. I'm signing up with my Google account, then clicking on Create New Store. Enter your store name and currency, then click on the Continue button. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your first online store. Now it's time to add your products and configure other settings. On the left side, the main menu option goes to the Catalog drop-down, then click on Products. On the top right side, click on Create Product. Here, you can add the product title, descriptions, upload product images from your local drive, or add media through a link. Enter the fixed price and sale price for discount purposes and the quantity of your product. You can also select the Out of Stock selling option. If your product has different variations like color, size, or weight, click on it and add the variations. You can also edit the page's SEO. Now, set the status of your product according to your needs. Add collections, tags, and weight to your product. Then click on the Add button in the upper right corner. Your product is now ready for preview. You can add more than one product with the same procedure, as you can see on my screen. Go back to your screen and click on the Collection option on the right side menu. Here, you'll find your collections, where you can edit or delete them. Click on Inventory. Here you'll find your product inventory. Click on Orders to view your product's order details when you receive orders. Next, click on the Finances option. Here, in the drop-down menu, you'll find some payment and payout methods like wallet, eCommerce card, and payout sections. Move on to the Customers section, where you'll find your customers' details. Now come to the Online Store section, where you'll find different themes. If you want to change the theme, just click on the three dots at the bottom right corner to activate the theme. Or if you want to edit the theme, click on the Edit option on the active theme. Your active product theme will appear. On the left corner, you'll find all the customizable settings of your theme. Everything is editable and customizable here. You can change your logo, banner image, banner subtitle, text sections, and other customizable sections. Click on the drop-down and select the Settings section, where you can choose to show or hide the Add to Cart option, and in the Product section, choose the lowest price, highest price, and price range according to your needs. All the tool sections are editable and changeable. You can also switch between desktop and mobile views. Both views are user-friendly. After making changes, save or publish them. Then go back to the home page, click on Navigation, then Pages. If you sell through a link, you can click on Sell via Link, then Create Link. Add a title, and click on Create Payment Link. After that, click on Settings and save the changes you've made. Now let's dive into the Settings page. Go to General Settings, where you can change the store details like the store name, email address, and descriptions. In Address Settings, you can add the address of your store. In Standards and Format Settings, you can set the time zone, currency, weight, and customize formats. In Homepage Display Settings, you can choose between displaying the online store or selling via a link. In Account Settings, you can upload the email profile image, view your name, surname, and email address. In Language Settings, change the language And in social profile settings, add your social media links. Lastly, you can also select the maintenance mode option for your store, so enter the password for maintenance mode and log in again with that password. In the staff section, you can add members for your store as admins. In the pricing plans, you have different plans. Select the plan according to your desires. In the billing section, you can see your plan and payment options. On the brand tab, you can upload your store logo, favicon logo, and cover image. In the domain section, you can add and manage your domain. In the taxes section, you can create the tax rate. In the location section, you can add your online store warehouse locations. In the shipping section, you can add your shipping methods. In the payment section, you can add different payment methods. Select one according to your needs. In the integration section, you can activate ads. In the security section, you can turn on two-step authentication. Thanks for watching this tutorial.